Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Gunjan. I am a practicing dentist since 12 years now. A few things about Sir's workshop. I attended the finance workshop a couple of years back, and I just wanted to say a few things about the same. So I feel like we all, we are taught dentistry and skills related to the procedures, and if there are few lacunae, we attend workshops and we try to learn them, and we are, all of us, I believe, we are quite competent. But when it comes to practice management and managing finances, we are not really trained in that, and this is the course which really helps us to at least get a roadmap. Like when I attended Sir's workshop, I obtained a clear perspective that what are the goals, financial goals that I have as per, related to family, clinic expansion, etc., and how to really, achieve them systematically, step by step. Also, it helped in tax, filing of taxes, which was, I was zero. I had no knowledge in that, to be very honest, and no real authentic resource to really ask. That even if we ask about these queries to somebody, maybe an agency or our family, this is whatever Sir says is backed. We know that this is some authentic knowledge which we can apply on. So that helped me basically. And thirdly, I feel like there are many resources available related to dentistry and practice management, maybe a few, but for finances, I'm 100% sure that hands down Sir's Bhavdeep Sir's is the only resource which tells us about, gives us at least an opening towards finances and how to manage them really. So as a woman, especially as a lady, I think that the real empowerment comes in understanding how to manage your finances and not being dependent on someone always, on our family, because we ourselves, I think we can contribute so much if we ourselves know that the money which is coming in, how are we managing it. It will really, God forbid, if something happens, it will really help us manage things in a better way if we know that what are the finances, how do we manage them, what are the things happening around us. So that is one thing, as women, we should really follow. We should take help of Sirs in this. Another thing is that I really like the fact that the problems whatever are there, and Sir is, for example, if he's telling us about something, the solutions that we get are really customized. Like for example, I have a situation where I have a small child at home, and how do I manage my finances? So Sir really gives us a customized solution, that how do you go about it, because everybody's situation is completely different. So in the end, I feel like it is a responsibility in the end to our patients, to our family, and more so to ourselves to reach our potential, and that comes from attending Sir's workshops. After attending the workshop also, we have so many resources through his YouTube channel, and there are many webinars which go on year long, which Sir conducts, which keep on. We also have a WhatsApp group, so which these things keep on helping us. It's not that just one workshop is done and that's you apply that doesn't happen. It's an ongoing stream of knowledge which comes in, and that is helpful. Of course, if you apply it, it's really helpful. So I would really recommend this course, the finance workshop, and many other courses which Sir keeps on conducting for us. So if you're thinking about it, please go for it.